Hi everyone, welcome to Nefis TV. Today I'll show you how to prepare these delicious brownie-like chocolate cookies. First, prepare the syrup. In a pot, mix together 200 ml of water and 3/4 cup of granulated sugar and boil. Let it boil for about 5 minutes and transfer into a bowl to let it cool. For the dough, mix 125 grams of room temperature butter, 1 egg, 120 ml of vegetable oil, half a cup of icing sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, and half of the flour. Add the remaining flour and mix. Then knead the dough by hand. Line an oven tray with parchment paper. Take walnut-sized pieces from the dough, roll each into a ball and shape them. You will have about 30 cookies with these ingredients. When you finish shaping, bake in an oven preheated to 200 degrees about 10 minutes. After baking, dip each cookie one at a time into the syrup, taking care to have it completely covered. Decorate the cookies with pistachio powder or shredded coconut before serving. Brownie cookies are ready to serve. Enjoy! If you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and click the bell icon. Thanks for watching!